I don't know if y'all saw that, but as soon as I started recording, I just got a infinity eclipse. I just got a dual. I just got a dual starlight dragon. Dual starlight eclipse dragon. I don't know if y'all saw that as soon as I started the video. If y'all can like play it back and like pause as soon as the video starts, y'all might see that. Actually, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see how much I have. How much do I have? How much do I got? Man, I got like 3. Oh my god, bro, I need like 2 more. I need 2 more. Hold on. Loan. And I'm recording. You want electro button? I thought you said legends. No. I'll have some. Okay. Wait a minute, he's gonna come. Hey, I see you, Lone. You're right here. You're right here, Johnny. You're a legend. I'm gonna have some more with you. Oh, I can't. Weaver. I'm gonna sell some. Oh, I can evolve this. These are. I think the Phantom Jennifer would be so OP if I make it immortal. I really do think that. I don't know if I lose. Oh my god. I got too much of these. I'm gonna do some more unboxing. I got. Dude, I got 4 dual light. I got 4 stars. Dude, I got 4 starlight quick dragons. I almost have evolved. Just watching me do summons. Wait, I think I have like enough of the Weaverns. Yeah, I got 4 of them. Yes, I need 1 more. I mean, you have immoral. There really ain't no point of getting it. Beastie Bendy, what you want? What you want, fam? Yeah, I don't want the greatest pet in history. Alright, what is? I'm just gonna keep on going.
I'm taking selfies, but I want to find this turkey. This is not my problem. Selfie.
Oh my goodness. I shouldn't really know. I gotta save it. Oh wow. Did these pictures let me look hot? This is the greatest game I've done so far. Of these albums. Maybe diverse. Actually, I'm gonna keep the Phantom Genesis Dragon stuff. I'm sorry, but actually, I'll show you the song. Who just started the game and doesn't have any pets? Who just started the game and doesn't have any pets? Alright, Yash X. It's time to be generous, guys. I give you 3 pets. Bam, bam, bada boop, bing, bop. Oh my goodness. Bada boop. It's free. No way. Yash. 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 No, not yeah. Yash. 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 Just accept trade for that awesome pet. I got good stuff. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Trading legend for legend. Boy, if you don't press accept, I dare you. I will decline it right from the start. Oh, you're one of those. Epic, can you give me good pets? Are you new to the game? Nope. Nope. Okay. Okay. Dino Savage. Dino Savage. Dino Savage. Woo! Nothing. Okay, now I'll give you a few more. I give more to you. So I will trade this, I will trade that, I will trade that, I will trade this. And I think that's it. Here you go, sir. There you go. Dragon King. What you got, fam? Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Give me something good. That is not good. That is bad. That is bad. No, that is bad. That's ultra bad. No, not. No, not you, dragon. Sorry, Dad. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I've been like getting a whole bunch of you. I'm not. I've been getting a whole bunch of dual starlight eclipse dragons. If I get another one, then I'll have evolved of it. Please, I need one more. So how many T do I have? 2 billion. Please, bro, please. I've been doing this for long enough now. Come on, bro. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Oh, wow. That's like the hardest one because I didn't even get one of those yet. Kind of. Attaboy. Okay, I don't know what he just said. Ranks up to ninja. Ranks up to assassin. This is a long unboxing and video. This is a long video of unboxing pets. And oh snap! What you want, Flame? Bam, bam. Wait, bam, bam. Boy, if you don't. No, I'm sorry, bruh. I'm sorry, man. Those pets were just so not good, man. I know what pets are good, and I know what pets are bad. Bruh, how come I'm just not getting all of these when I've been only getting all of them? Ooh, I saw you. Come on, bro. Where is that last one? I have so many serves. I have so many serves. Come on. I need one more dual eclipse dragon. my goodness. I'm barely getting any dual starlight eclipse dragons anymore, bro. I just need one more of those guys. Come on, I'll have like a few serves left. Johnny, come on, Johnny. I only got like a few serves left. I only have a few serves left. Oh my god. I only have a few serves left. I only have a few serves. Oh, come on, that eternal lost. Come on, man. I need one more of those guys. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay. Ultimate challenge and the ultimate creature challenge. If I get evolved dual starlight eclipse dragon, y'all gotta give me dual starlight eclipse dragon rank legend. And first, you guys need to friend me first. My username is Epic Gogeta. My username is Epic Gogeta Blue. I have a computer head on, and I have the jacket. I have the motorcycle jacket on. Dude, come on! I keep getting these Ruby Midnight Weaverns. Dude, come on! This is almost the last one. Okay. I have one more to go. I have one more to go. Dude, stop giving me these mini Midnight Weaverns. This is the last one. I need one more, please. Dual Starlight Eclipse Dragon, please. I hate my life. I hate my life so much. I hate my life so much. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. I might have one last chance to redeem myself. This is the last chance to redeem myself. Yeah, bleh. The golden chest. This is the last part. Yes?
You still have to repay the money you took from the ATM. What? We don't have $4,000. You're gonna have to come up with it. You have to come up with $4,000. Anyway, just hope that this incident has helped you girls learn something. What? Looks like you girls are in luck. Man used to be caught with suspect of the same temper.
Last chance to redeem myself, please. 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 Oh my goodness. I really hate my life. Oh my God. 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 Clone, clone, clone.
How long are the coupons good for?
I think Grizz has one because he said yes. Oh, my bad. Hello? Are you close to the house?
I'm at what?
So are you close to the house?
I just calling to make sure you was up or somebody was up.
I'm up. I don't think Mom is.
What?
I said I'm up. I don't think Mom is.
Oh. Who is that?
Huh?
What you watching?
Sam and Cat.
Oh. Alexis is that with mama?
Huh?
Alexis is that with mama?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Make sure you stay awake.
Alright.
The door unlocked? Taylor,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It is.
is the door unlocked?
It is.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Alright. Alright. See you later. Alright, guys. That was just my dad calling. Yeah. And I bet y'all heard that whole conversation. I'm sorry. But if you guys ever see me, actually, friend me right after you see this video, and please do it. If anyone has a legend, any legend I will take. Any legend I will take, and I will sell my greatest pets for it. Any legend, I will take it. Okay. So this is the end of the video. I'll see you guys later. So bye.